Good morning. Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Commodity Broker, RJO Futures, here with morning comments on stock index futures today, November 5th. That reminds me to give you the word of the day, which will be November 6th. November 6th, election, United States of America, largest economy in the world as we speak today, in my opinion. And we are having an election for a direction in taxes, economy, and just everything that the president brings to the table for a powerful country. Okay, and it will affect corporate America, it will affect global economics, and it will affect the stock index futures in a dramatic way. So because of that, we probably have a choppy trade today, but we won't have a choppy trade probably on Wednesday. A little posturing for today and tomorrow, getting ready for the big election. It's a very tight race. It's probably one of the biggest differential direction for leadership in the last 50 years, and it's a very, very, very tight race. So it's going to be a little difficult to figure out who's going to win, and then, of course, how the markets are going to perceive it. But have said that, let me give you some parameters. Okay, first of all, on economic news, we don't have a super lot on the docket. Initial claims on Thursday, trade balance, export prices, Michigan sentiment, wholesale inventories, but really not all that much. The president election is probably the biggest one. So let's say we don't know who's going to win. Let's say we don't know what the impact would be. The best way, in my opinion, would be to have some kind of parameters and let price behavior dictate a positive or a negative response, and then go with momentum for this big event. Okay, I would have to say 1392 on a closing basis before the election would give you a hint of how the market is perceiving the election to be. Okay. And of course, that would be a negative for stock index futures, and we would use the pivot of that number in the December future contract, S&P future contract, to show us the way. If the market can rally after the election, or even right before, on a closing basis above 1435, I would take that as a positive, and then I would look for momentum for the market to go to 1495. Okay, and if we go underneath 1392, I would expect that the market could get at least to 1375, but my projection would be probably 60, 70, 80% lower with this kind of magnitude of a decision for the next 4 years. As always, trading futures or option to futures involves risk of loss, not suitable for everyone. You should be calling me, and I can give you before and after effects of all these events. Good luck and good trading.